Mic test. Mic test. Can you guys all hear me okay? Can somebody let me know? Can you guys hear me okay? Harry Divi, what up, man? 20 gold in the house. True Strand. Yori Jory, what is up, man? 20 gold. Justin right in the house. Tiger, the NQ and the gold keeps pumping. I have no idea, man. You know, I was how was your trading today? Whew. Guys, can you just confirm you guys can hear me all right? Can everybody let me know you guys can hear me all right? Hello, Kenny. Load and clear. Nice, 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 guys. How did everybody do today? David Monte, what up, guys? All green, good stuff, man. Good stuff, guys. All green, good for you guys. I ended up trading my. Obviously, I ended up trading today. I'm kind of away from my desk, but I traded my Lucid and Tradify, and I got destroyed on those firms. I got absolutely smoked in the morning. I was trying to short this market, and I got destroyed. But on the other end, on a good note, my Tech Profit Trader, my Funding Ticks, my Top Step, and Apex all looking pretty good. But the only thing that got destroyed is the Lucid Trader, Funding, and Tradify. Unfortunately, it was tough. But anyways, guys, back to trading now. I wonder what this gold is gonna do today. I wonder what the gold is gonna do. Man, look at this gold, guys. Incredible. All right, guys, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and trade gold today using micro. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try and do. Obviously, at the same time, trading NQ as well. It was difficult because it was hard to long at the highs, and you're looking for, well, I was technically looking for my pullback as well, but I never got it right. David Monte, 2K down this morning. Oh man, I hope that's an eval account. I hope that's an eval account, David Monte. Green Emerald Frog, what is up, man? What a day. I know, man, what a day. Well, if you guys did a great job today, kudos to you guys. It was a very difficult market, unfortunately. Sounds easy. All you had to do was just close your eyes and go long. But of course, the market's not just gonna do that, right? Let me just do a little poll. I want to find out how many of you guys did actually great today. In green today. All right, guys, let's do a little poll. I want to know what you guys think. Ooh. Let's see, guys. Wow, 70% in green already with 10 votes. Incredible. You guys are killing. All you really had to do is just go long, I guess, right? You could have definitely banked a lot. You not to short it. Well, I ended up shorting this market right at the start, and I realized that, you know what, I'm on the wrong side. I realized that I'm on the wrong side, and I ended up obviously I reversed and I went long, and everything was back in green. But by the time it was too late because my Lucid and Tradify accounts were gone. Let me just take a look at my Tradify. Well, I lied. There's one account that I did pretty good. There's two accounts. There's two accounts with my Tradify that actually ended up doing pretty good. My Lucid my Lucid accounts are extremely destroyed right now. This is the only account I have. I got one account now. I got smoked on 3 accounts. And I have 4 XFA now. What a roller coaster this month, guys. It's been a tough October month, I tell you that much. Yeah, man. I was trying to short this market this morning and then I got destroyed. I lost 3 accounts today. I mean, my initial thought process was I'm gonna try and short this market. I'm gonna try and short this market right at the start and try to buy the dip, right? So I was kind of expecting this market to give me a little pullback, initial little pullback, and then get a bounce. But this market did not even give us a little bit of a pullback, right? And not even a small pullback, you know. You just take a look at it, guys. This market did not give us a pullback at all today. I think it opened right up here. I think, let's take a look at, guys, 7:30. Where was it again? Yeah, it was here. It did not even pull back here, guys. Look, this is it. This is all we had. You know, we hit the VWAP. You know, we hit a EMA support here at 77, and of course we just get bounced. We just get bouncing, man. That's literally how many points. That's 250 points move in this market, guys. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Wow, I don't know, man. Like, how do you guys play this now? What are you guys going to do? I mean, what are we going to do now, guys? I don't know, man. I have no idea. I mean, we already up there. We hit the all-time new high, and it's like, I have no idea what to do now. It's oh, I did pretty good though. I did pretty good with Apex accounts on both Tradovate and Rhythmic, and I also did well on my Tech Profit Trader and Fund and Tick. After realizing that there's not going to be a pullback today, I ended up hopping on. Guys, the market is open now. Alright guys, I am gonna try and long it again, of course, as usual. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Hit it down. Kiss my entry at 33.44 and try to get a bounce off that level now. Just short it first 299, then long maybe. 290. Wow, that's all the way down here, way down. Honestly, I don't even know if this market's gonna pull back all the way down into the 290s though. Well, we could. I agree, but I don't know if that's gonna be today though. Let's take a look at the gold. MGC. Well, I think gold is definitely having a better move, you guys. Maybe I should be trading gold. Where did my sound go? Mike. Mike. All right, guys, I'm going to try and long here, a long gold right now. You can hear me? That's nice. Why is your Discord always hard to log in? Log on? I have no idea, brother. I'm not sure. Well, all Discords are the same. What difference does it make? It kind of looks like this gold wants to give me a little pullback here down, right? What's the next level of support? Let's just take a look and see. Well, we got a next level of support at 48. 48 or 40 in the 40 zone. I think that's where the support is. Now we got a view up. I don't know if we are gonna bounce off this view up though. What do you guys think? We're gonna get a bounce? Oh my god, we got a Powell speaking tomorrow. Is he actually gonna wreck the market? Is that what it is? Market cares about next week more. What's so special about next week though? I think we're gonna get a little pullback down into the 40s. I think the gold. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm not gonna get tricked with gold. I'm gonna try and really. I want to do well with gold, so I'm gonna try my level best here with micro contracts and try to see if I can. Try to see if I can actually make some couple green trades here today. Trading gold, guys. I am excited to trade gold. Let's find out what kind of a result I get. Most of the Fed speakers this week have declined to discuss monetary policy. I think they've got to get their shit together, I think. The Fed speakers, man. I think they've all got to do a better job than what they're doing right now. They kind of got really lucky. Anyways. Who cares about my opinion? I think NQ should drop at least 10 points. Wow, 10 points, man. Wow, 10 points, guys. Woo, that's a huge number. By the way, guys, just letting you guys know, I'm trading on my trading station. My travel kit. It's not on my main computer, so the chart is kind of messed up a little bit. So just bear with me, everybody. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Just imagine if I was in NQ. Sorry, not in NQ. If I was in GC contract, I would have been literally down about $300-400 right by now. But what I'm gonna try and do is scale into my trades using micro going forward into this gold trades that I'm gonna make. I think getting into gold trades with GC without going into micro, I think it's a little too much for Stock Tiger. Lovable investments should have long for a week straight. Now it's short only. Well, are we actually gonna dump in gold? Is that what it is? Holy man, this is incredible, guys. I'm only in 2 mini contracts, so it's 2 micro, and it's like I'm already down about $100. All right, guys. Looks like it wants to dump. I think that's what that's what it's trying to do. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, I got stopped out. Did I just get stopped out?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shoot.
Order filled.
Hold on 1 second, guys. What is up with this?
Order filled. Order filled.
I told you, man. I can never get this right. Gold, guys. It looks like I'm capito in this trade now. Hold on 1 second, guys. The game isn't over yet. The game isn't over yet, but it looks like it wants to dump right now. Oh man. It looks like it wants to dump, or maybe not. I don't know. We found a nice little support there. I'm gonna try and scale into my trades now. Holy man, what was that? I'm done with gold, everybody. I'm done. Yeah, I better get out of this trade. I think this really wants to dump, man. Holy guys. You've got to be kidding me. Like, this must be a joke, man. Guys, this is insane. Incredible. My entry at 40, like, it's barely trying to get above this level now, guys, man. It's incredible. Incredible. Like, you have so many levels. Like, does it have to be this freaking level right here? That's like so hard to crack above and try to push it back up again. Like, why is it so hard? Like, why does it have to be this level now? Why? I don't understand that, guys. Anyways, man. Maybe I have a little chance. Maybe, I don't know. Let me just try to try to take my profits off the table here. I'm such a great gold trader, man. I'm probably the number one best trader trading gold.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get something out of this now, guys. Let's see. Who knows? Who knows? I'm gonna get lucky here. Who knows? Oh, what a wick here, guys, man. That was literally about 8 points dump. Not 8 points. It's much more than that. 20 points. Can we get a little bounce? Can we get a little bounce, everybody? Can somebody push this gold back up again into the 44, 45 maybe? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm back in green. Oh my god, I can't believe... Guys, I'm back in green right now. Wow. Guys, man. See, I told you, man. I'm the best gold trader in the Asia market, guys. I'm the DCA champion, the gold trader. Oh shit, are we gonna get a pullback here? Come on, give me a little nice pump here. Let's pump this gold, guys. Let's do it. There we go. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna run, guys. I'm gonna fight this. I'm gonna take every little piece. I'm gonna take every little piece from this gold trade, guys. I'm gonna take it right now. The number one gold trader. Alfred, what up, man? DJ Nassim, what up? Paolo Santos. JT, what up, JT? How's your day? Lovable investments. Top 40 band, what up? We got a lot of new viewers, new names. There's a lot of names I haven't seen in a while, in a long time. Tyson Prosper, I haven't seen your name too. I'm assuming you're new. You met 650 on the day, New York. Great, man. Great stuff. Adam Wong, what up, man? Hot Shot, what up? Delino, Bowser in the house. It's not NQ. You can't trade it the same. Yeah, maybe. See? I know how to trade gold. OZ, what up? Mike Hansen, Charles Jolly, Dude 45, what up, Dude 45? How's your day? Healthier Health, Paolo Santos, Nicolas Gomez, Adam B, Stack Network, what is up, man? Sorry, guys, I forgot to call you guys names. Strauss Bailey, what up, man? I think it's a new name, Strauss Bailey. Roa Trades, Top 40 Brand, what up, man? No longer Stock Tiger, but you are now Gold Tiger. Exactly, man. I'm gold. I'm a gold digger. Alright, guys, we are getting a little bounce. I don't know if this bounce is gonna be sustainable. Oh man, look at that, guys. So we just dumped how many points, man? We literally dumped about 40 points. 40 points in gold is pretty significant, right? Pretty significant. Read the ready of my questions. Was asking you something. Tyson Prosper, man, go ahead and ask me whatever you want, bro. Let me know. What is your question? Do I know how to trade gold? Absolutely, sir. The #1 gold trader at this time of the day, because no one's trading. Team Smarky, what up? Yeah, boys here. Yo. Healthier health, man. $991 on that gold so far. Dale Petty, what up? We got a lot of new. Oh shit, guys, we are getting a little pullback here, guys. So hold on 1 second. You're right. I should have ran away with the profits. And I think we could see a bounce or what now, guys. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even. I'm gonna place my stop here at 34. Let's see what happens. How about I place my stop at the 34, guys? I know exactly what I'm doing right now, guys. I know exactly what I'm doing. Forget about NQ, guys. We got a most important instrument right now in the game. It's called the gold. MGC. No, Alfred. No need to be careful, bro. Take a step, go aggressive, attack this gold. Let's just do it, guys. Let's get this freaking gold once and for all. Once and for all, everybody. This is it. Today's the day. We're gonna get everything out of this gold. I am tired of gold. You have to trade gold with small size. Forget about small size, guys. 100 mini contracts. 100. Let's do it. Let's do it, everybody. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one off the table right now. Come on, hit it, man. Come on. Hit my 33. There we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now because I'm cheap. I don't want to give anything back now. Now, I want to run away, to be honest. I want to run away from gold. Thank you, everybody, for being here once again today. It's my honor to be able to live stream in front of all my fellow traders. So thank you once again for being here. DVT, what up? Mike Hansen, Kelly Koofman. All right, guys, I've got this last two piece. Anyways, guys, I was just joking about gold. You guys know I suck at gold, but anyways, I want to get out of my trade now so I can move back to NQ. Nonetheless, but what a man. I mean, I don't know, man. You know, if we ended up pulling back, if we actually ended up getting a follow through in gold, I would have been in deep trouble, guys, man. I can almost certainly tell you my XFA account was gonna get wrecked. Anyways, guys, did I tell you guys I got smoked on my Lucid Trader account? I got smoked on 3 accounts Lucid Trader today. Until I realized I'm on a wrong side today. I was trying to short this market right in the morning. Obviously, I was trading on my phone, and I got smoked. I got absolutely smoked, and then I don't know what happened after that. I got a little mental disruption. I got a little mental disruption after that, and then I kind of stepped back a little bit, and I said to myself, whatever happens today, I'm just gonna go long, 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 all day, all day. I'm gonna go long, long, long all day. And then guess what, guys? All my trades after that, after realizing that long is the way to do this, I banked on a lot of my other accounts. Yeah, I hold on one second. Kelly Kaufman, you have to trade gold with small size for very long moves. By the way, I like to read the first 10 letters only. Or large size. Scalp, eat it out in minutes. You can't do anything in between. Maybe. Yeah, you're right. You know, I agree. I mean, by the time I realized that long is the way to go today, it was a little late for me. I wish I knew right off the bat. Then I would have done really well with my Lucid accounts. As you guys know, this market is wrecked, right? So who would have ever expected we're gonna have 300 points move to the upside, guys? Who would have ever expected that? Nobody. 300 points today, like incredible, guys. We already at all-time high. We are already at all-time high. And on top of that, we had another 300 points move to the upside. Incredible. Can this market be any more exciting? Yeah, I completely screwed up on my Lucid accounts, but I got it back on my other accounts like Tradify and my Tech Profit Trader, Apex, and Funding Ticks. Guys, we're getting a little bounce in the gold. I'm gonna take my one more piece off the table right now, guys, and then I'm gonna place my stop as well in that 42.
Order filled.
I think gold is probably making a better move than NQ. All right, guys, I'm gonna trail my stop now. If I get, all right, guys, I got filled. There you go. So I've taken my money. I'm just gonna move back to NQ now, guys. Time for NQ. Let's not mess with the with gold anymore. All right. I mean, there's nothing really there in NQ. You guys made it sound like there's something going on in NQ. What do you guys think? Do you guys see this NQ moving down today? I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't. It's hard to say. I kind of feel like we're just gonna chop here. I think this is what I'm trying to do. Yeah, NQ is definitely very confusing right now. I'll be honest. I personally don't like NQ at the moment, to be honest. I don't know if NQ is the way to do this, guys. I'm just gonna move back to GC. Yeah, I kind of feel like we are looking for a little bounce in GC, guys. We are back above the VWAP. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try and trade gold. I'm looking at the gold right now. It looks like the gold wants to move to the upside here. I don't know. What do you guys see? Gold is moving. Let's take a look at the NQ for a second. Oh yeah, NQ looks like it wants to move to the upside. Let's draw a little 4-hour chart. Wow, we are so way up there right now. It's incredible. We are pretty overbought. Just moving back to the 15 minutes chart. Yeah, we are kind of overbought, guys. I don't know, man. I kind of feel like, you know, we get a little pullback here down, probably into that low 300s maybe, before we get any sort of a bounce back in Q. I prefer NQ to the downside here, but I don't know, man. This market is just incredibly tricky, if you will, right? Tricky, put it that way. So let's see, guys. We got some level here. That's gonna be a huge level now. I don't know. We are trying to break out of this initial high. Oh, I'm on NQ. I want to trade MNQ, guys, today. I want to kind of like try to be safe in my trading. At least today. Anyways, I'm gonna try long, but I'm looking for a small little pullback though, back into the VWAP, and try to see if we can actually get a nice little bounce from there. Probably long is the way to do this. Thank you guys for being here. Do not forget to smack the like, guys. One second, everybody. I want to check something right now. I'm looking for a little pullback here, guys, before I can hop on a long. All right, guys. Do you guys think we have to do? Oh, 1 second, guys. 1 minute. I'm gonna send a small instruction. Yeah, I'm looking for a little pullback here, guys. All right, guys, I got filled. We are getting a little pullback here. All right, guys, I've got some big news. Romel giveaway. Well, whoa. Giveaway, guys, giveaway. All right, guys, we'll do Take Profit Twitter 50K account giveaway today, guys. You guys are gonna have to give me a day or two to process the account for you, okay? You gotta give me a few days because I'm not in my desk, so bear with me. But we're gonna go ahead and do our 50K account Take Profit Twitter giveaway right here, right now, everybody. Let's go. Don't forget to smack those likes, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much once again. Good luck, everybody. Oh, my Discord link expired. 1 second, guys. I'll share it again right now. Here's my Discord link, guys. Well, I just shared the Discord link, bro. What are you talking about? Wow, look at this, guys, man. This is insane. You gotta be kidding me, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even here. All right, guys, keep going. You guys can pick a number between 1 to 150. You guys can go ahead and post it on our Discord now. We're gonna do our giveaway call out a little bit later today. You have to be here during the stream. Good luck, everybody. Once again, you gotta have one number, no duplicated number, no two numbers, no three numbers, only one. If you have more than one, you get disqualified. So we're kind of like all-time high, right? So I'm really not looking for anything else other than just try to buy the pullback here. Pretty much that's really all I'm gonna try and do today, right? I thought we were gonna get a little pullback down to 300s, but then the way this market's moving right now, I don't see that. Well, I could be wrong, but for right now, I just don't see that happening. So I'm gonna just try and long in this market, guys, on a pullback, right? That's all I can do, especially coming into the Asian market, guys. Market's going to Mars. I think it's going to Pluto. I think it's going to Pluto. Forget about Mars. I think we're gonna bypass Mars, in my opinion. That's incredible, man. This market is insane, guys. This market is insane. It's incredible. It's a monster. I don't even know. Like, absolutely no pullback at all. Like this morning, right off the bat, no pullback at all, guys. I was looking for a 5-10 points pullback. I tried to quickly scalp, and I never got it. In fact, I actually ended up getting stuck in that trade, and then ended up blowing my, obviously, my listed accounts. Too bad. I'm gonna rebuild it again. I'm gonna rebuild it again. You guys know the drill, guys. All right, do we have enough numbers? We don't really have. We got a lot of numbers right now. That's great, guys. Keep posting, okay? Keep posting now. Just make sure you're the only one with that number, whatever you guys are posting. Man, this morning was absolutely annoying, and yeah, I kind of got stuck in my first couple of trades, and unfortunately those are all funded accounts. Maybe I should have just stepped in with the eval accounts, but I don't know. I mean, it's kind of give and take. I did pretty bad with my listed accounts, but I ended up doing well with my other accounts I had, right? My take profit trader is looking great. My take profit trader accounts are looking great, and my funding ticks looking pretty good as well, and Apex looking good. The only thing I'm really down is my listed accounts and my Tradify as well. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I'm gonna fight for more payouts, of course. I've got to go check today, a little bit later today, if I can actually request a payout with the with my Apex accounts. I'll let you guys know. Oh man, did this actually stop me out and just move? Are you kidding me? Oh man, I don't trust the Asian market at all. What are you talking about, bro? I don't trust it at all. I'm probably the last person to trust this Asian market, guys. I don't trust the Asian market. And I hate it so bad. Ugh, it's ugly. I hate it. Break out again. Woo! No, I'm still looking for a pullback here down. Let's see, guys. Gold is doing what it's supposed to do, guys. Is gold actually tanking? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Don't forget, guys, the #1 day trader on gold is here. Oh man, yeah, look at that, guys. Pretty bad looking chart. Captain Price, are you talking about gold or are you talking about NQ? I'm assuming you're talking about gold, I think. I'm still looking for a little pullback in it's a higher low right now on NQ, I kind of feel like, you know, pullbacks are viable at this moment. I may be wrong, but I prefer to try buy the dip, right? Let's do a little trend line here as well, but right, you see this nice beautiful trend line. I kind of feel like he's respecting that right for now, and this is 1 minute chart too. All right, guys, let's see if this limit orders actually end up getting filled. Stroll belly. The MES is flat bottom. Gold is on fire. Christoph Phyllis. Ray B. Gold is poo-pooing. Lovable investment. Gold is doing what it's supposed to do. Chaz, what up, man? Just joined the cat. Just joined, but cannot type yet. Chaz, how come? How come you cannot type the chat? Green Emerald, Mercine in the house. Kirk, what up, man? Do you think we'll be red in Tokyo? Well, I don't know. You know, it's gonna be really hard to say. I wonder what Enki is gonna do, to be honest. It's gonna get pretty interesting. Ugh. Charles Jolie, you never win anyways. You will, bro. You will. Be positive. Be positive. Do not give up. You can only predict the best case for NQ. Well, for now, yeah. Miss Key 911. What is up? Welcome. I don't know, Kieran, I was trading gold just 5 minutes ago. I don't know if you were there. I'm gonna trade gold again. I just kind of feel like NQ has a better price action for now. That's why I'm trading NQ, but hey man, I'm always willing to take a stab at gold trade again a little bit later if it starts to move. I think the gold is kind of like, you know, it's just sitting there, you know what I mean? It's like it's just been doing this for now. So unless it starts to do something like this or something like this and break underneath the initial low, then that's when I'm gonna be like, okay, well, maybe it's time to go short. If we get above this initial high, then I'm gonna look to go, okay, well, maybe it's time to go long on gold with that nice beautiful breakout of that level. But if not, then I'm just gonna stay put for now. What I kind of feel like is this gold is gonna be like this, and then maybe dump at the end. But I don't think this is gonna give us a chance to kind of step into a trade, because it's gonna move so fast, right? One line just gonna go boop, you know what I mean? Either this or either this, you know what I mean? That's the problem with this gold, right? It doesn't do anything for a while, and then so you're kind of like it catches you off guard. That's the problem with gold. It just goes like this the whole day, and then it's like woo, you know what I mean? That's the problem. That's the only problem with gold. Like, you're not gonna stay all day try to look at the gold and look for that move. It's tough.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, look at the dumpage, guys.
Order filled.
All right, I've got four micro right now. Man, it's gonna be hard to say to see the gold actually end up pulling back to the 290s, to be honest. So Israel and Hamas signs a complete ceasefire agreement which will go into effect across the Giza Strip on Thursday. So you got some good news coming out from Middle East right now. No plans to impose tariff on generic drugs from foreign countries. All right, guys. I just got a warning from Tyson Prosper, so I've got to respond to his question. Tyson is gonna ask one more question. One more time. Lol. That's lol. LOL. If I'm trading in a 50K take profit trader account and trade New York and wait till the market open back at 6 p.m. If I'm trading a 50K account and trade New York and wait till the market open back up at 6 p.m. Is that count? I have no idea what you're asking, man. I don't know. Somehow, either I have a little problem with my English, or it's the other way around. I'm sorry, Tessa. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I'm assuming that you're saying, if you are trading now, and if you trade tomorrow morning, and then come 6 p.m. during the Asian market, is that counted as a 2-day? If that is the question you're asking, then that's no. It's only one. The only time it counts as second day is if you trade New York, and if you trade the Asian market, and then back. No, I lied. Yeah, you gotta go round two. You gotta trade New York in Asia. That's gonna be one, and then back to New York. That's gonna be two. If not mistaken, if Asia is a new day, yeah, Asia is a new day, yeah. Yeah, maybe that's my mistake. Asia to Asia is a new day. That's right. Asia to Asia is a new day. That's right. Wow, that was a simple answer. Pretty nice and clear. Tom 40 brand. Gold has a lot of volume. Gold has a lot of volume. Well, I should be trading gold instead of trying to trade this NQ, mad boy. It's kind of really slow right now. New York to Asia is 2 days. I don't know what that means, man. New York to Asia is 2 day. Like, I don't know what's so complicated about this, to be honest, but 언젠가는 돌아갈게. 행복을 줄 수 있을 때 슬프지만 안녕. All right, all right, all right. We are back in action. Oh my, look at that, guys. What the hell is that? Oh man, that's incredible, guys. Like, what is this market trying to do? I have no idea, guys. Oh no, it's nothing. It's just I kind of overexpanded my chart, so it looked like it was a 200 points move to the upside, of course. In reality, it's like a small little piece, like 3 points move. Wow. Stock Tiger getting too overly excited on a 3 points move to the upside here. Because my chart, I was like this, right? So it kind of looked like a 300 points move to the upside. Of course, that isn't the case. Incredible. Maybe I should just zoom out this chart, you know, and stop making it look like it's a huge move. It's kind of weird that NQ has not corrected a bit from that rally. As far as the market is concerned, obviously today is today. Or you look at the sway day 1 Asia and NQ close. Yeah, you're pumping the market right now. That's it. That's it. Stock Tiger moving the market, guys. And I can't type. Let's see how much. All right. Reading comedy at the time. I'm trying to hurry up and sneak into 50 times. Tyson Prosper. In Top Step, you need a buffer to request the payout, right? You need a buffer to request a payout on Top Step. You don't have to. You don't have to, brother. All right, so I just want to tell you, gold looks pretty bearish, right? What do you guys think? I think the gold looks bearish, guys. I'm actually thinking about YOLOing one of my Take Profit Trader account. Are we finally seeing some kind of a rejection and a pullback here, correction here? Guys, I need your honest opinion about the gold, guys. I kind of feel like, you know, we are trying to head down into this zone. I'll be very honest, maybe down into this area. And the reason I'm asking is because I really want to try and YOLO my account on my Take Profit Trader account. And honestly, I'm not really sure if this is the time to do it, but I really do want to take a stab. I really do. Can you guys let me know your opinion? The chat's answered your question. That's great. Michael Barr, what up, man? You're shorting gold. It's gonna rip face off to the upside tonight. Okay, so Kelly thinks. Oh, hold on one second, guys. I don't know what happened. I think something got failed. All right, guys. So we are getting a little pullback here in the NQ. I'm gonna try and scale into my trades on NQ, by the way, to the long side. So, I mean, we could see this thing pull back all the way down to maybe the 330s, right? I kind of feel like this is where it's trying to get down to. My initial pullback here, and then probably in the worst case, well, not the worst case. I mean, base case, probably down to 321 as well. So 321, 341 is probably where it may end up pulling back into there. I gotta be ready. And let's see if I place my stop here. All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop here at 347. Sorry, no, I lied. Well, that's gonna be at 340, 340. I'm not gonna take it any longer than that. But what a slow ass market, guys. Holy, yeah. pretty slow. We'll see if we can actually get a slow grind to the downside back into the 340s, and then look to add to my position there, guys. But anyways, just coming back to gold though, I really want to take a stab at the gold to the downside, to be honest. I really kind of feel like I want to 32 back into, I would say, at least here, right? That would be like 339.50. So pretty much about 30 points move to the downside. Or maybe this could be the bottom here. You guys know, right? Every time, I mean, this is just, we never really had a massive pullback anywhere by any means for a very, very long time. I think since July or something, we never really had any sort of a pullback. Not even a massive, like not even a small little pullback. Probably the most one we had was like 37.40 down into 36.60. Well, that's about 60 points pullback. 60 points pullback. I don't know if we are going to do that this time, but I mean, I still think, you know, that sort of rejection that we had there at 61 makes me kind of feel like, you know, we've got some more juice to the downside. We are underneath the view up now. We had a big reddish candle that we had it here. The problem here is we had it here, but then it was bought. That's the problem. It was bought. We had it here. Everything was bought, right? We had it here. So let's just take a look at the previous candles here. Everything was bought, guys, right? Everything was bought. We had it everywhere. Everywhere was just bought. You know, it's like there's no true pullback. You know, everything was just bought, right? It was just bought and just bought over and over again, never ending sort of a bounce. So we have a little pullback here now. Obviously, we've got that now, and this is pretty much how many points? This is like 40 points pullback already, guys. 40 points pullback already here, and this is on a 1 hour chart too. So I'm just gonna move back to 30 minutes chart. I don't know, man. It does look like it wants to pull back here. I'm kind of tempted to short gold, but you know, I mean, as soon as you try to short gold, it's gonna move. I'm telling you right now, every time I try to get into gold trade, it's gonna move. Somebody's definitely watching this freaking thing. You know what I mean? Very annoying. Holy, what's this, guys? Ooh, that's a nice, beautiful face there. I like that. I'm gonna give you a little credit for that, brother. Sol Rosenberg. I like this one too, Paquito. Yeah, I like that too. Thumbs up there for ya. All right, anyways, yeah, we got a lot of numbers. We have actually slightly more numbers than our Apex account giveaway, by the way. Slightly more. So guys, man, we are getting a pullback here in gold. Oh man, I don't know. Ramel, what up, man? It's an aggressive selling right now for sure. Maybe we are scared to short gold. It drops 100 points. You know, I mean. Oh, really? Charlie Dozy? Is that you? Oh, man, that's funny. Good stuff, man. All right, man. I guess the gold is pulling back here, man. As soon as we talked about gold pulling back, it's already tanked about 6 points. I think you can have up to 20 funded accounts. I think Elite Trader Funding. I probably think Apex is better off right now. Apex on a well chart I don't use well chart, but I tried to use, but I don't. I'm having a hard time, by the way, trying to convince myself to trade Wells chart. But Wells chart's got 90% off right now. And if you guys don't really care about platforms, maybe this is a good time to kind of try to snap a little piece of a cheap accounts. I think it's $16 or something like that. All right, Romel don't like Wells chart, but it's $16 for Wells chart. I'm gonna try and try to use Wells chart myself. I wouldn't mind. I want to try. I don't know why Wells chart is cheaper, man. Are they trying to promote Wells chart? Is that what it is? Or is there an in-house platform? Is that what it is? I have no idea, guys. Yeah, I wish I knew. I have no idea. And guys, man, I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now because this gold, I'm so mad. Like, I mean, think about it, guys. As soon as I talked about this, it's dumped literally 8 points. Great stuff. I like that. This gold is freaking annoying. Guys, can somebody help me smack the gold in the face? Maybe I should try to trade silver. How about that, guys? Holy. Silver's gonna be fun. Nice PNL. Thanks, man. I mean, you could always get better. I'm gonna get better at it, guys. I obviously I made a lot more mistakes than you know. I made more mistakes lately in the last few months. Last few weeks. But I'm slowly trying to get it back, guys. It's gonna take me a little bit of time. But my ultimate goal is, I already told you guys, I'm gonna take it a little slow this month. A little bit slow, plus it's okay to have a little less payout, you know. I'm gonna be happy with 20k payout this month, and that's really all I'm gonna ask for. So I'm in no rush. I'm trying to take things slow a little bit. Obviously, I kind of got wrecked this morning trading Lucid Trader account, but I wasn't expecting that sort of a pump in this market this morning, so I kind of got destroyed. But you know, I'm gonna try my level best to, you know, take a little slow. You know, be happy with you know, a 20k payout this month, and my ultimate goal is to try and have as many funded accounts as much as I can to trade for the month of December and November, right? So I'm really, honestly, I don't know if I've actually told you guys, but I'm looking to have about 40 funded accounts by end of this month. DJ and Cian, what up, man? Roby, the gold is a widow maker. Oh man, gold, man, freaking very annoying, guys. Michael Barr, Romel, top 40 brand in the house. P Shenanigan, Wells chart look horrible to me. I mean, Wells chart is fine. I mean, what you can do is you can have two charts open. One could be the Project X and one could be the Wells chart, and you just trade off the Project X. Trade off the Wells chart, and have your Project X as well side by side. So that way you can kind of make the right decision. And all you really use the Wells chart to do is just get in and out. That's it. That's what I do with my Rhythmic app. You know, on my Apex accounts that I've got on my Rhythmic, I use my phone to get in and out. That's it. That's all I do. Captain Price in the house, man. Jeffrey Raheen, what up, man? We are always right when we think, wrong when we act, are the same thought process. Yeah, that's right too. The other day you bought those 40 minis of gold at the local peak. I was freaking about you. Yeah, I got destroyed. Yeah, for sure. If you did that trade in a cash account and held it now, Charlie Daisy, man, that would have been a huge, of course. I know that, you know, I know that, but you know, just one of those things. You know, you get lucky, it's gonna work out, and you're gonna be like 40K, and you're gonna be the most popular, you know, person on earth. Now I'm like the biggest loser. Gold is dripping. Oh well, look at this gold, man. Anyways, what am I doing in this gold right now? I should be trading NQ. NQ, we're kind of still up. I've got 5 micro contracts in this trade at 362 on an average. I'm back into Top Step XFA. Yeah, I've got 4 XFA now, and I've got one more account that I'm. Let me just see how much I have on that one. How much is this again? Yeah, I still need about $15 more to get this thing going. So yeah, so I'm gonna have I would say I probably end up having 5 XFAs by hopefully by tomorrow. I'll trade the combine tomorrow morning and try to pass and try to have 5 accounts. And I'm just gonna look for very base hits, guys. 100 to $150 to $300. That's it. They're basically overshooting it. Is that true that Top Step gives you an extra $100 buffer below your MLL? I never tried, brother. I don't think so. I've never seen that before. I doubt if they do that. If you want scalp fee points long, if it worked. Interesting. Evodi, is that true? What do you mean? Oh, they do, really? Oh, I see. Okay, well, I don't know, because I never really noticed that before, so I don't know. All right, do we have all the numbers, guys? Do we have all the numbers? Oh, Marcel, yeah, I'll take care of your Apex account. Once the streaming is over, I'll take care of your Apex account, brother. Sorry about that, Marcel. Yeah, I see you send me a DM. Yep. So today's giveaway is gonna be a Take Profit Trader account giveaway, guys. For your information. I wonder if this is just gonna fill back here today. Hold on one second, guys. I gotta change something. All right, guys. Today's giveaway is Take Profit Trader eval account giveaway, guys. Poi Pablo, can you DM me separately? I need to talk to you about something, if you don't mind. I really appreciate it, guys. Well, not guys, Poi Pablo. Do we have enough? We have enough numbers. Yeah, we got enough numbers. We can go ahead and actually do it. But let's take a look at the likes. Do we have enough likes, guys? Am I getting a little support here? Am I? Well, maybe not. We'll find out. Oh, by the way, hold on one second. All right, guys, what am I looking at right now? I'm long NQ, guys, and I'm trying to short this bad gold, but I kind of feel like, you know, as soon as I try to short this gold, I think it's gonna bounce. That's why I'm not trying to. I don't want to mess with this gold, but yeah, look at the gold. Gold trying to get a bounce. Man, I want to full port this gold, but yeah. I just don't have. Oh man, look at this, man. Holy mochino. Oh my god, look at this NQ, guys. It's ripping your face off. Ripper. Yeah, man. Incredible, guys. Look at this. We are at 76. We literally bounced 20 points right now. 20 points, guys. Incredible. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my guys. Well, not a bad day after all. Trading my my XFA accounts. I wish this was 5 mini contracts though. Would have been really nice if I did that. Wow, looking beautiful. Should I add to my position here, guys? I'm gonna add to my position here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, I've added to my position here. I'm long. I'm adding to my winning trade. Let's see, guys. Oh man, look at. Oh my god, guys! You've got to be kidding me, guys! Holy!
Order filled.
Whoa!
Order filled.
Whoa! Whoa!
Order filled.
I should have had 25,000 mini contracts, man. What am I doing here right now, guys? What am I doing right now? Suck Tiger, shame on you. You should be embarrassed. No. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, man. Holy, man, what was that all about? Wow, man, that's a nice little move here. That's like, how many points? That's like 30 points, man. 30 points, guys, man. We usually pumped from that 65 to almost 90. So that's about 35, 40 points. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely regret my behavior. I should have had 25,000 MNQ on this trade. I'm going to keep adding, guys. Let's see what happens now. Oh man, it's too late. It's too late. I'm gonna downsize. I'm down to 4 now. Sorry, I'm down to 6. Oh my god, guys. I think our target 92 here, guys. I think 92. Sorry, not 92, 93. Oh man, look at that, guys. I don't even know, man. I think NQ to 45,000. What do you guys think? Holy, I have no idea what this gold is trying to do. Well, sorry, it's not gold, it's NQ. 65 to 90 is like 25 points. Oh, really? That's it? That's 25 points, really? It looked like it's 40 points. I was wrong, I guess. Come on, BF. Relax, man, relax. Relax, my friend. Let's just say it's 40 points, man. I like to exaggerate a little bit sometimes, you know what I mean? Come on, let's just make it a little more exciting here.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh my guys. Wow, what a 25,000 points move. Man, I don't know, guys. This is a pretty nice little move, eh? What do you guys think? Why don't we just get this NQ to like 40,000, guys? Let's target 40,000 NQ. Holy, man. All right, guys, 1 second. 1 second, everybody. Wow, but that was a pretty good pump though, right? I mean, you don't normally get this sort of a move during Asia market. I mean, I understand you had a nice little trend line break. You had a nice little, so okay, so the very important thing that I honestly look at is the channel support. Is it respecting the channel support? This is such a classic example of the trade that I really love trading, right? All these levels are kind of like obviously resistance, 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 resistance. We held this beautiful level of support, which is the channel support, and then at the same time we had a nice beautiful breakout, 5 minutes breakout. I love a channel support and a breakout of this trend line. This is the thing that I really look at, and it's really kind of worked out really nicely here. It held the support, and it finally broke out and then just kept ripping. Well, what an amazing trade. I like this sort of setup. This to me is kind of like an A setup to me. I mean, obviously every trader has their own way of trading, but I mean, for me, the channel support and a breakout is what I'm looking for, and we actually ended up getting that pretty nicely. Amazed. Wow, man, look at this thing, guys. I'm with 4 contracts now. Wow. All right, my P&L looking over, looks like it's over $1,000 now. Maybe I should just try to protect this now instead of trying to be cute with this, just in case we get a pullback. But I think it's just gonna keep gonna go like 393, probably back into 395 as well. I haven't checked the Fibonacci, to be honest, so I don't know, but I kind of feel like this Fibonacci is pointless at this moment. But I'm just riding the momentum, so it doesn't really matter at this moment. Yeah, this market is broken. It's absolutely broken, guys. Absolutely broken. Incredible. Now I'm just gonna have to watch this market do its thing. Good stuff, guys. I mean, honestly, I'm just very grateful that I'm getting what I need. So I'm gonna try and add to my position here, guys. I'm gonna try and add, and I'm gonna try and take a stab at this, guys. Maybe look for another extension here. Maybe, let's see, guys. Maybe get it right now. I'm gonna add to my position, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna risk about 80 bucks. Okay, guys. I'm gonna risk about 80 bucks. 80 bucks, guys. I've got 14 contracts and I'm risking about 80 bucks right now, guys. Maybe get a pullback here, that's fine. But I'm willing to take a risk about 80 bucks. So if you get a pullback, stop me out. I'm totally okay. I'm absolutely okay with that. But if I win this trade, guys, man, this could be pretty nice. This could be another $400 gain on an Asian market. I mean, you gotta be happy about it, right? I don't think I can ask for anything more, to be honest. I'm totally okay with this sort of a... Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm looking for 5 points, man. 5 to 10 points is really all I'm looking for. 5-10 points move. It's gonna get me like a few $100s, right? So that's gonna... Oh man, look at that, guys. Wow. Romel, this whole week is going to be weird. You're gonna trade gold only. The market is broken and now it's a giveaway. Du Hyun, what up, man? Oh man, look at that, guys. Look at it, it's moving. Control Chaos, what up, man? How's it going, brother? JT, DJ, Yuhan, Justin Wright in the house as well, man. How's it going, Justin Wright? How's your day? Krish, what up, man? Time to short NQ now. Uh-oh. Paulo Santos. Perfect play, what up? Not enough likes. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's pop those likes. Like never before. Just like NQ, guys. Just like NQ, everybody. Of course, if you guys want to support the stream. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here, but I'm totally okay. You know, I don't know why, but maybe I should just walk away, or I don't know. Maybe I'm just being too greedy right now. Maybe I shouldn't be. All right, guys, I'm just gonna. Oh man, as soon as I try to flatten this trade. All right, guys, I'll place my stop at the break even. How about that? All right, I think that's the way to do this. All right, guys, I'm gonna... Oh, shoot. Once again. Let me just exit my trades, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. There we go. And I'm gonna lock it out. I'm gonna log this account so I don't have to trade this account anymore. All right, so let's just move to something else. And I'm gonna look for a... Let me just buy first one. I'm gonna load in the first account. Sorry, the first micro.
Order filled.
I'm looking to still go long, guys, on a pullback here. Let's see if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. But all right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. All right, guys, here I am, guys. Let's see what happens now. What is up, everybody? Take the money and ran. That's right, baby. Ooh, it's a rip good and the bad news. Well, the bad news is good news, I guess, right, guys? The bad news is good news now. The world has changed forever. Look at this, man. We just pulled back into the 383 and got a bounce like 6 points. Well, it's not a slow day today. What do you guys think? Well, it's not a slow day at all to me. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my God. Wow. I need more, man. I need more. This four contract is definitely not good. All right, I forgot to close my poll. I'm just closing right now. We have 200 votes. We had 65% said they had a green day today. So that's, I mean, that's obviously a very good number. A very, very surprisingly high number, if you will.
Order filled.
Yeah, it does look like a trend day today. And quite honestly, it's pretty surprising that we continue to just keep pumping here tonight. I mean, I honestly thought we are gonna get a pullback. I've been wrong right at the start, right? I don't know, man. This market has been extremely confusing and depressing too. If anybody's shorting this market, it's not a good feeling, you know, when you're shorting this market. I'll be honest. I was shorting today for the first 15 minutes of the day, and then I realized that I think I'm on the wrong side. Today the whole day was supposed to be a long day, and I ended up shorting this market, of course, and I ended up getting cooked. Oh, yeah, it's a tough market, I'll be honest, man. I mean, if somebody tells you no, if somebody told you it's it's an easy market, I mean kudos to him, but I don't know, man. I find it very difficult lately. And the problem is we are at so high up there. It's like, I mean, if you're so high up there, it's kind of hard to long as well, because you're right at the all-time high, and you cannot short as well easily, because you kind of feel like, you know, you're gonna continue getting a squeeze in this market, and that's not good too, right? So all right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. Well, not a pullback, sorry. It's actually not pulling back at all. Incredible. I don't know, guys. I mean, it's, if you are shorting this market now, be careful, guys. Be careful, please. Even tomorrow, it's not gonna be easy to try and short this market. Definitely not. I don't think so. All right, guys, I'm gonna look for a little quick pullback here and try to go long on a pullback, right? That's what I'm gonna try and do. All right, guys, I don't think this market wants to pull back. All right, so another one. Are we gonna try and be able to hold and respect this support here, channel support? And are we gonna try and completely break out? I like this setup again, like I said, but I want to see get above the initial high. That's right up here. And so if we can break out of this one, I kind of feel like this could go, man. This could go all the way up to the 400. Guys, Tradify has an offer right now. I am going to end up loading some account with Tradify, because I really want to take Tradify a lot more seriously. I've not been that great, but of course I've been just recently trying to. I've only really recently tried Tradify, and I really want to take it to the next level. Right, I'm really trying to take it to the next level. I may end up loading in like 5 accounts or something, 5 accounts with them, and try to see if I can actually get to some, you know, Tradify like, and get payouts like the way I get payouts with everything else, like Take Profit Trader and Top Step and Apex and all that, right? I really want to do well with what do you call this, with Tradify, for sure. I really want to. I badly do. Badly do. Oh my god. Tradify right now. I think the Tradify right now, it's how much is it? Let's take a look. I have to load in your account myself, so I'll let you know right now. The growth challenge, right? The growth challenge of Project X. Start with the 50k. Let's take a look. Oh, that's it. It says $83. It says $83. It's $83, but it's weird because it's only giving me 105. 105, is that right? Can somebody check? I'm only getting like it's 105 or something. It's weird. Yeah, quite honestly, guys, funding ticks. I mean, the reason why I don't really promote as much is because they're fairly new, so I don't want to be too exposed myself, and I don't want to give a wrong impression to my fellow traders. But quite honestly, funding ticks is probably the best probably the best deal in my opinion, because like what Justin Wright just said, it's like 40% consistency on your eval account, and you only need $2,500. $2,500 target, and it's 40% consistency. And then what now? You know, you had to trade for 3 days, and that's it. You know, when you get to the funded stage, it's like there's no consistency anymore on any of your funded accounts with funding ticks, and all you're really paying for a 1k payout cap, you're only paying for a 50k account size, you're only paying about $61. So I think that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. What do you think, Justin Wright? Did you put the discount code? I did, yeah. Tradify has no activation, yeah. It costs 96. Alright guys, we get a little pullback here. Tiger got paid a lot from Apex and also got denied a lot from Apex. Yeah, I'm probably one of the few who got denied one of the most with Apex. I got denied a lot from Apex, guys. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. I like this pullback here. No, I like to see this. I like to see we hold. I didn't realize I had 3 micro contracts already on this trade. All right, guys. Do we have enough numbers now? Do we have? Did you guys forget to smack the like, guys? Let's smoke it, guys. If you guys want to support the stream. We are gonna get a little pullback here down. 384. I thought it's $83 on Tradify, but it's not. I was wrong. I don't know why. The promo code, it's weird. Oh, it was just for a day or something like that. I don't even know. Weird stuff. Man, what a bounce here, guys. I should have gone in with a little more. Oh, come on. Give me a little pullback so I can add to my position. Wow, what a nice, beautiful looking chart, guys. I really like this right now. Tradify is cheaper than the Top Step. Yeah, I mean, Tradify is cheaper. Top Step is a little more pricey. But that doesn't mean that I'm just going to trade all at Tradify. You know what I mean? I've got to be smart about this. I like to diversify my portfolio and I want to be able to trade Top Step. I want to be able to trade Tradify. I want to be a great trader with Lucid Trader account as well, which I'm kind of down. I want to be a great trader with Apex as well, which keeps paying me, right? I've been constantly getting payouts from Apex lately, right? Back to back every few days. And I may be requesting another payout today as well. I'm gonna have to check. I haven't gone to check my accounts, but Apex looking good. We've got funding ticks looking pretty good as well right now. And finally, my Take Profit Trader is also looking pretty good as well. So Take Profit Trader, you know, Apex, funding ticks, Lucid, Tradify, Top Step, and I've also got futures, funded futures network as well. So I've got a lot of firms right now. And I want to build those accounts, right? I want to build those accounts across all the firms, right? It's gonna be fun. By the time we get to November, guys, man. Oh man, a lot of things are at stake. A lot of things. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. I just gotta be a little careful. You know what I mean? Like, I had a beautiful Lucid accounts, but I found a way to screw those accounts up so bad. It's like you know, if I can be a little more cautious and careful in my trades, I can do a good job. I think towards the end of the year, you know, we could probably get into some big massive payouts, and that's really what I'm looking for right now. But I've got to be a little more careful in my trades, to be honest, especially during the open. Those first 15 minutes of the day. You know, I've been pretty bad at it lately, right? So now I've got to take a little step back right at the open. The first 15 minutes orb, I've got to be a little bit careful about that. You know, this market has been really funky, you know, making weird moves. So I just got to be careful on the first 15 to 30 minutes, put it that way, and then try to trade after that. Or at least trade the eval account, so that way I don't really smoke my funded accounts. But I've been trading my funded accounts right at the start and trade evals a little bit later towards the end of the day, you know what I mean? So maybe I've got to make a little adjustments, I guess, Risk it for the biscuit. That's right, baby. Whole lot prime is good too. Oh man, I have no idea. Whole lot prime. What is that? The Dow and ES pulling back. NQ is never pull back. Yeah, NQ and ES is a two different animal. A major divergence. You know, NQ does not like ES. ES does not like NQ. Do you guys still believe in a correction? Honestly, I don't know, man. It's gonna be hard. It really is gonna be hard to get a correction. When you say correction, though, we're expecting 10 to 15 points pullback, right? I do expect some kind of a pullback. I don't know if that's gonna be a correction, though. Some kind of a pullback. I don't know when, but it's oh man, this market has been wild, man. For how many months? We've been just keep moving to the upside since day one and since January. Incredible. Maybe Canadian dollar, money Mitch. I know, Green Emerald Frog, man. This market has been very annoying for sure, man. It's so freaking annoying, you have no idea. Maybe you know what we should have done? We should have just put our bets on along a couple months ago on your personal live account, and just have, if you had 3 mini contracts, guys, 3 months ago, by now that would have been like, holy, you could have definitely bought a new Land Cruiser. Three mini contracts. If you bought it 3 months ago, that would have been a cash buying Land Cruiser easily. Maybe in Canadian dollars, though. That would suck. All that hard work and get denied. I had some payouts from Apex. Well, Savvy, I mean, it's part of the process, you know. If you get denied, you just move on, you know. If you think about it too much, you're gonna screw up even more. So might as well just not think about it, right? Tiger, you should promote Trade Day. Do Yon, Trade Day. I trade day. I'm just not. I don't know, man. I completely forgot about Trade Day too. But is Trade Day kind of worth it though? I don't know. What do you guys think? Is Trade Day really worth it right now at this sort of a offer they have? The pricing right now is not cheap. I don't think so. Trade Day is not cheap. Am I wrong? Guys, I think we get a little pullback here, guys. I'm gonna try and downsize. I'm gonna wait for a pullback here. Trade days awesome. I understand, I get that, but I think it's Trade Day's expensive right now. Let me just take a look at Trade Day, guys. Trade Day. Don't get me wrong, I love Trade Day. I've just not been able to take it very seriously, to be honest. I've just never been able to take it seriously. I may have to start doing that now, but the thing is though, it's not cheap. Oh, and by the way, I want to ask you, hold on one second, guys. Let me just double check once again. Let me see if I can actually buy account. I want to see. It's not about cheap too, but I kind of fail to understand if it's kind of worth it though at this point in time with that sort of an offer we have. Okay, it's 30% off right now, guys. It's 30%. Oh, you know what, guys? You know what, guys? It's $69. It's $69 on your 50K account. It's trading drawdown, but it's but you can take it up to 1,000, right? Sorry, you can take up to 5,000. It's $69. Targets 3,000. This could actually get pretty interesting. Trade day, $69. on a trading drawdown. I prefer the end of day drawdown though, you know what I mean? Like $69 on a trading drawdown. You know, I kind of feel like I prefer to load in.
Order filled.
I prefer to load in funding ticks at this point in time. And what else? And possibly what else? Possibly take profit trader, I think. I mean, at the end of the day, I would rather pay a couple more dollars to load in some more take profit trader accounts, right? To give yourself a daily payouts. Very reliable. Now we'll see. But I'm gonna get something going with Lucid though. I'm so freaking mad at Lucid. Guys, is this market actually moving right now? Oh man, why is it so cold in here? Who pays you $1 extra? If they don't pay you in about an hour, they pay you $1. Who's doing that? I love that. Trade day has daily payouts, Tiger. I don't know, what are you talking about? I never said they don't do daily payouts. Bobby. I know they do daily payouts. But they've also got a very vague sort of a, you know, vague when you get to the funded accounts and when you get payouts, when you get bigger payouts, you know, they may end up moving you to live account right after getting your first payout. You know what I mean? If you look at the contract they've got, that's what it says, and that's a little catch. They've got to make that very clear, though. Oh, Apex is going to introduce end of day challenges too. I mean, honestly, Apex, it doesn't really matter because their drawdown, trading drawdown, it's $2,500. So, I mean, does it really matter? $2,500 is great enough. That's a lot of drawdown, I think. There's no cons of live accounts. Apex introducing end of day in November. And that's great, man. If they do that, I mean, a lot more options, you know, because not everybody likes trailing drawdown. No matter how much drawdown you have, they don't like that sometimes, right? So you got to give traders an option to go with end of day or trailing drawdown, or even direct to funded as well. I hope Apex come out with those options for everybody. And then I think Apex is going to be obviously well respected too once they have more options for traders. All right, gold is melting. All right, guys, are we? Is the gold melting? Oh man, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to be shorting this gold right now, guys. Damn it, guys. We should have shorted. We should have shorted this gold. I told you, man. I wanted to take a stab at this gold, all the way to the downside. Never really got it, unfortunately. Of course. I mean, only if I knew, only if I knew this gold is gonna tank as much as it did right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, this gold is incredible. It's a different animal. Anyways, guys, back to the NQ. Pull it back here. Don't touch gold. Yeah, I'm gonna touch gold. Watch me. Watch Stock Tiger play gold. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second. I've got to take care of something right now. If you guys don't mind.
Order filled.
This could be like another night. Rally, then sell off to the lows overnight. Yeah, I mean, we could. We could, guys. I mean, anything can happen right now at this point, to be honest. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. JJ, what up, man? No, we still have 4 more minutes for Asia to open. Romel, Marcel, Marcel, yeah, I'm just I'm trying to process your giveaway now. Just give me 1 minute, guys. We are getting a pullback here, by the way, so be careful if you guys are trading. Yeah, I'm trading a little aggressively right now. On my Apex, sorry, on my what accounts? On my XFA. That's right.
Order filled.
All right, looks like we are getting some kind of a pullback here, guys.
Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Oh, we are getting a nasty pullback here. We're right at the view up now, 373. Let's see if we can actually hold this. Wow, man, that's a bad looking pullback, guys. We actually broke. I don't like this at all right now, but I mean, all right, I'm just gonna stick to this. Wow, what a bad looking one. All right, guys, we got what? All right, okay, so we got Tokyo now. We got Tokyo, guys.
Order rejected.
Damn it, I need to add more. Give me more. I need more. All right, guys, man, this is scary looking chart. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look good at all right now. Tokyo's open now. Oh, yeah, this is definitely scary. Holy man, what a move. I wanted to average my costs so I can kind of like bring it down to like here. But now it's pulling back here, guys. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of my my stop. This looks like a big fat rejection there. No, we better hold this view up now. If we can hold this, then I think we pull back all the way down. I'm literally giving back all I made today, which is pretty sad. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about going short on gold. I missed that. And on here in Q, we kind of broke down. And I said we may end up getting a pullback here right at that 385. But then obviously I never did that. So I try to average it down instead. We'll see, guys. We're still right at the view up here. Let's see if we can actually... It looks weak, though. It looks pretty weak. We better get a bounce and try to get above this 381 to kind of make it a little more meaningful. I've got 20 micro now, so it's quite... This is a pretty heavy size, if you will. So if we get some sort of a deeper pullback here, I don't know if this account's gonna survive though. That's another thing that I've got to watch out for. Now we're just going back to where it's supposed to be, like 367. That's really where it kind of started, right? I think. All right, guys, we get a big nasty pullback here. Let's take a look at a 3 minute chart. I want to just quickly take a look at 3 minute chart. Looking pretty ugly. Yeah, looking pretty ugly right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna panic sell right now, just yet. Well, that's a pretty bad looking chart. Yeah, looks pretty dumpy. Let's see where it's gonna be here. 361. What would it be? Yeah, I mean, one of the things that I don't like to do is panic sell, right? Even if it's gonna be end up, you know, even if I'm going to end up losing my account, like I don't like panic selling. So this is our 3 minute chart. I just want to quickly take a look and see where it is. How deep is this going to pull back? That's gonna kind of like blow this account. So we gotta bring it all the way down to 341 to really take me out of this trade, right? 340. I've got too many contracts right now. The risk reward is not there at the moment too. We just cracked underneath the VWAP. That's let's just see, guys. $1,000. All right, guys. I'm still on a 3 minute chart. We'll just leave it there for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there for now. In the meantime, just 1 second, guys. Hmm. All right, guys, just a couple things. Do not forget to post your numbers on our Discord, guys. I am going to do the giveaway pretty soon here, as I mentioned. So go ahead and post your numbers if you haven't done so. And also do not forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can, to try to support the stream. And Stock Tiger is down right now. I'm not going to sell just yet. We'll wait and see, guys. You're trying to call back into the VWAP, right? So it looks bearish, but hey, man, just one of those things. One of those things. I was gonna short. I was thinking about shorting this, but instead I tried to add to my long position on a pullback, right? But we had a little bit of a deeper pullback than I was kind of expecting this market to do. So, but yeah, we'll wait, guys. We'll wait a little bit. We'll probably do our giveaway, guys, in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, guys, if you guys don't mind. I want to just wait for this market to kind of play out. And give this trade a couple more minutes to kind of play out. And if it's gonna end up stopping me out, then that's fine. I'm probably, yeah, I mean, $1,000 at most. And that's what I'm kind of risking at this point. Yeah, I think we could see a pullback as well. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, but it's kind of like in that middle area. You know, but I'd really love to see this thing get above this VWAP though. It doesn't look like it wants to. I may be getting cooked. Or maybe getting sliced. Oh, by the way, I never said I don't like Lucid. I love Lucid. I've recently started to trade Lucid pretty aggressively. I love Lucid. Charles Jolie, man, there's no averaging. I'm maxed out. 2 contracts is the most you can do with the XFA. Yeah, it looks pretty weak though. I really have to get a bounce. Either off this 200-day moving average or this VWAP, man. Yeah, I would really like to see this thing get above 375 if I can. I wonder if I have to just exit my trade, to be honest. Maybe that's probably the better way to do this. Because even if I'm down about $400, technically I'm only down, honestly, nothing. Because my account balance is back to 0, right? Because I was already up like $400 this morning, so if I'm down about $400 now, it's kind of like break even at this point. Maybe that's not a bad idea too, right? Maybe not a bad idea. All right, that's a pretty aggressive sell-off right here. That's like it's getting a rejection there. Just 1 second. We may test the low. What is the low again? Probably retest the 33.46 maybe. Yeah, just give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna have to think about what I want to do with this trade. Either I get out now or I look for those levels, right? If we can bounce off this level and try to crawl back up into 375, then I'm willing to hold it. But if we crack underneath this and try to pull back all the way down to 360s, I may have to think about exiting my trade with a minimal loss, right? I don't want to. The last thing I want to see is a major damage on this trade. So I'm kind of like, yeah, we'll see. Ugh, doesn't look good at all right now, but I mean, so far I've got a short position here, 20 micro contracts. And I want to know if we can actually crawl back into the VWAP. Charles Jolie, average down. Alexandro Diaz, Tiger. Why don't you like Lucid? I love Lucid. JJ just went long 15 contracts. Holy man, JJ, you're an aggressive trader, are you? Pablo Picasso, holy Capro. JJ, Rob Walsh, V-shaped recovery gold. Oh really? Gold is recovering like that? Travis Locante, Tory Trade's husband. Hey guys, smash the like, guys. For travel. Who again? Travel. Somebody, I can't remember exactly what his name was. Travel something. 0 Day Chase. Oh man. Oh, Travis Leconte. That's right. Oh man, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Not good. Oh dear, guys. This is a break to the downside, man. This is actually a crap shit right now. Incredible. Well, I'm not gonna move my stop now. If I get stopped out on this, then this is what it is. How much, like, how do you know, why is this chart looking so weird? I'm not able to see how much of a drawdown I've got on this account. I don't know how much. Where's my drawdown? I can't see that for some reason. No, it's not Trevor Leconte. It's for me it's Travel McConty, right? Travel McConty. All right, guys. Anyways, where's my drawdown? Where can you see a drawdown, man? I have no idea what the hell's going on here in this chart, but yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look. I don't know what the hell. Tory Trades, man. What up? How did your days go? All right, guys. Stock Tiger getting absolutely smoked right now. I wouldn't mind a little prayer for survival now. JJ. Deshaun Bell Michelle, what up, man? You went long gold? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Oh, wow, guys. Gold looking pretty good here. I like gold. I like what I see in gold. I like what I see in gold, guys. What am I supposed to do now? Nah, forget it, guys. I don't want to chase this freaking gold. You know, you guys know the drill. As soon as I enter gold, see, I'll tell you something, guys. As soon as I try to go long on gold, guess what this market's gonna do? It's gonna dump, right? And you know what that means? Our Deshaun Mitchell, who went long gold, is gonna get stuck, because if I try to go long gold, the gold's gonna tank. It's gonna get a little pullback in gold, and Michelle's gonna get stuck on that trade. So I can't do that. I'm gonna have to leave gold alone, so Michelle can bank on that gold trade to the upside. Nice, I like that idea. Scapster, you lost your take profit trade account? Really? On the gold? Oh, you're trading that gold, bro? Oh, man. Yeah, this gold is a different animal. I don't know, man. Like, gold has to give me like 500% guarantee for me to hop on a trade in gold. I don't know, man. I just don't trust gold at all. Like, the way it's moving. Like, every time I try to go long, it pulls back. Every time I try to short the gold, it bounces. Oh, it's tough. It's tough to trade gold. Tell you that much. All right, guys, we are pulling back here. I don't like the way it's moving in this NQ. I'll be very honest. So I'm gonna have to try and exit my trade here. I wonder where my stop went, to be honest. I heard my stop. I'm almost thinking it took it off for no reason. All right, guys, do we have enough numbers? I'm gonna go ahead and do our giveaway, guys. All right. Giveaway gold. Sorry, not gold. What am I saying? Oh my god, guys. I'm getting freaked out with this gold. All right, we have enough numbers, guys. All right. Are you guys ready for Take Profit Twitter? 50K account. eval giveaway. You guys gotta have to give me few days to kind of process your claim. If you end up winning that number, if you end up being a winner, just give me a few days. And by the way, if you guys have not posted your number, you guys can go ahead and do it right now, because I'm gonna do it in about 5-10 minutes now. A little less than that, I guess. I probably might as well just do it right here, right now. All right. I'm getting ready now, guys, for the giveaway. Good luck, everybody. If you guys have not done posting your number, go ahead and do that right now. Right now. And also do not forget to smash the like as well. All right. Oh my god, now you're asking me the link? Come on, bro. Come on. All right, I'm gonna share the link again. All right, guys, we'll give another 2-3 minutes for everybody to post in their numbers. For newer comers, right, who's not posted the number yet. All right, so once again, this is Take Profit Trader 50K account eval giveaway. And good luck, everybody. Do not forget to smash the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. We're about to start, guys. And thank you once again, everybody, for being here today. Over 320 viewers. I mean, it's incredible. Obviously, without you guys' support, this stream truly does not mean anything. And I want to thank you guys once again for always being here every day with me, every day at 6 p.m. live. And also, time to time during New York. I will be in New York probably every day next week, guys. So let's try to have some fun during New York next week. Gold is ripping. Oh my god, guys. See, I told you, man. See, but hey, Michelle, you gotta thank me, because if I entered long, the gold was gonna crap shit down. It was gonna do something like that. If I entered long here, this would have just pulled all the way back to $4,000 in gold. I didn't do it just for you, Michelle. It's for you, bro. Do I get a price for that? Oh, 4 points, really? That's it? Oh, shame on you. Shame on you, gold. Michelle, it's about to go long in queue, and yes, I like to retest and hold. Wow, that's that sounds very complicated to me. Let's make it very simple. But you know what? Right now, I'm really more concerned about NQ. I wonder what this NQ is gonna do, though. It's like it's sitting right there, 36.1. 36.1. I don't know. It looks like it wants to find some footing here at this support level at 360, and it's trying to curl back up into the VWAP, almost kind of like similar to the gold situation now. Did you do, Han? Did you give all what you made back? No, I did not do that. I made $1,000 on my other. This is a completely different account that I'm trading right now. This is a completely different account. Guys, don't forget, Bulanox is 82% off right now. Apex is 80% off as well. And of course, Take Profit Trader is 40% off right now. You're only paying about $100 for a 50K account. Alright guys, I'm looking for a little bounce back up again. Let's see if we do that. And if not, then I guess I'm gonna have to cut it loose. Now I'm gonna really finally try to cut it loose if we end up getting a pullback here, guys. If this is a little dead cat bounce for another leg to the downside, then I'm gonna have to cut it loose. I hope it's not though, right? I hope it's not. Alright, just making sure you guys have put your numbers now. Holy Mochino, look at that. Gold wins, some you lose. I like that, dude. Dude 45. Nick Traits, man. Nick, what is up, man? What is going on? What is this message here we're seeing from Nick? Then updated. Oh, Pro Trader Crusher, thanks, man. Thanks for your message. I'm gonna take a look at this a little bit after once the stream is done. Thank you so much, Pro Trader. Well, let's take a look at Nick. Hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, it's been a while, by the way, Nick. Is everything okay? Going on a work tomorrow trip. Camp trip? Don't make it make sense. They are paying for the trip, but not my salary. But I will be busy and plan to take some time away as well. I received some bad news about my brother's condition. So we'll be thinking and dealing with that. Hope everybody is doing. Oh my god, guys. Hey man, Nick, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That definitely came as a little surprise to me. I hope you are going to feel better. Oh, sorry to hear that, Nick. Yeah, that's definitely a little surprise to me, but I mean, shit, you know. Ouch. Anyways, a little bad news coming up from Nick. Hope Nick gets better. We pray for you, right? Knowledge is trading gold. 14 positions. 378 ticks. How much did you make on this gold knowledge trader? Couple $1,000. All right, guys. Are you guys ready? Hold on one second, guys. Oh, we are getting a pullback here, guys. We are getting a pullback in NQ. All right, one second. If we are gonna retest this low. All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop here at 356. This is gonna be a very, very important level, guys. If we can get above this now, I think this could go. Now, what is this bracket here doing? Like, jeez. Hold on one second. Like, what is this? Manage bracket? I mean, I don't really care about that. Just move away from my chart. Oh my god. I can't move this. position bracket enabled. Anyways, all right, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaways. Thank you guys, everybody, for waiting. Good luck, everybody. You guys know the rules. I'm not gonna repeat it again. Good luck, guys. 95 guys, 95. All right, I don't think we have any winner. No winner here right now. I don't think anybody's got 95, guys. No 95, everybody. Right? No 95. We're gonna have to redo it again, guys. Good luck, everybody. 116, guys. 116. 116. Zen 25 in the house, everybody. Zen 25. You've got to be kidding me, everyone. Zen 25 is the winner. Is Zen. I like that. Man, Zen 25, congrats, man. You are the champion here today. The biggest and the largest. Zen 25 wins the Take Profit Trader 50K account eval giveaway. I want to congrats Zen 25 once again for doing that. Congrats, well deserved. A big win. It was huge, massive, and you've got this. You've got this, brother. Great job. Great job, brother. Incredible battle. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? Because I love you guys, we're gonna do another one, which is going to be Apex giveaway. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream right now. This is going to be now Apex account giveaway. This is going to be for Apex account giveaway, everyone. You can use the same number that we've been using for the previous giveaway. You don't have to create a new one. All right. One more giveaway here. It's going to be Apex account giveaway. And I would like to do that now. Marcel, great job, man. 300k Apex eval from yesterday. Oh my god. What are you talking about? You passed? Oh, you mean you activated? Okay. Congrats, Marcel. Congrats. Full forward the goal to pass. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to exit this trade. I don't like this, guys. I honestly don't like this. I may eventually, I think, we try to get a balance, but I don't like this, guys. I'm gonna cut it loose right there, even though I kind of feel like we're gonna get a balance. But hey, man, it's just one of those things. I'm like, you know what, might as well just I'm only down about 270 bucks in this account. I don't know how much drawdown I have, though. I want to find out. I want to find out how much drawdown I have on this account. What's my drawdown? Jeez, man, I had 2 days of green and I'm down $700. Doesn't make sense. I've got to take it back. I'm gonna move back to NQ, guys, and I'm gonna try and I'm gonna go long overnight.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm just gonna leave it there on this one. I'm gonna be one contract, right? And I'm gonna look to see if we can actually retest the high, right? That's literally about 40 points. I think it's definitely doable into tomorrow morning. I'll probably end up adding if we end up getting pulled back here. We're so high up there, but that doesn't mean that I don't know. I mean, are we gonna just go straight down in one line and try to get back into the 300 level? I mean, obviously, I would love to see this thing pull back here, to be honest. But I mean, we'll just leave it at this for now. I'm gonna try and swing overnight and see what happens tomorrow morning, right? I could be wrong, but hey, man, I'm just gonna take my chances on this bad boy. Maybe not a good idea. I don't know. All right, I'll just leave it there. I'll exit. I don't want to mess up with my XFP account. It's these accounts are pretty pricey, so I don't want to screw up. Maybe I'll try to make something back from tomorrow morning. Maybe down about $700. Maybe I can make it back tomorrow. I don't know. I still like it to the upside, but anyways, who knows what this market's gonna do? It's a different animal, right? We're in the Asian market, so maybe probably best to wait till tomorrow morning, I guess, right? Yeah, I mean, we're up so much, right? So maybe it's not a great idea to kind of like try to long, right? We're we're right now sitting at 25,364. So, you know, I don't know. As much as we keep saying it's too high up there, we are pretty oversold right now at the 40 RSI, right? And we kind of held the 356 as well. So let's see, guys. I'm gonna watch this thing tonight and see if we can actually end up holding the 356. And if this doesn't hold, then I think we've got way more down to go. So it's gonna get pretty interesting. Tomorrow's what again? Tomorrow's Wednesday, so tomorrow's Thursday. So Thursday and Friday, we got 2 more days to go. So I'm gonna leave it at this for now. We'll see. We'll come back tomorrow morning. We'll try to make some nice calls and try to make some good trade. Man, why do I have this feeling that we're just gonna do this today? Why do I have this feeling? But anyways, guys, let's just go back to our giveaway right now. And there's a short sellers again. No more highs tonight. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. I am going to now call out a winning number for Apex, guys. It's Apex eval account giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Number 13, guys. 13. I think we have a winner here. Do we have a winner? We have Sudan Kalia with a number 13. I swear to God, man, like this, my God, I knew it. I told you guys, I knew it. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. Sudan, so congrats once again for being a winner here today. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. We got some big winners today. And I think you won last month as well. Congrats, man. Good stuff. All right, guys. I'm gonna once again. Shit. All right, so then I sent you a text so you can take a look. All right, I think this market's kind of funky. It's acting funky. We're so up there, up high in the 70s, 90s, man. I don't know, man. We may try to retest the high too. Nobody knows what this market is going to do. But anyways, guys, I'm down overall about $300 on this account. I was up on the other, but down on the other as well. So a different account, I'm down about $300, a little less than $300. We'll see. We'll try to make it back up tomorrow. You know, this probably would only take about a few minutes to kind of recover the loss if I'm on the right side tomorrow morning. So we'll see how it goes. Congrats once again for all the winners today. 2 giveaways. Congrats for winning both. Good luck on the next one. Chuck, man, just keep it up, man. Do not give up. I know, Sudan, man. You've been taking all the giveaways now. But I mean, congrats once again, Sudan, and congrats to my other winner as well. Zen25 is our winner. Zen25, can you DM me as well, please? Thank you. And guys, once again, thank you guys for being here today. I had one win, 1 loss, so it's 1-1 today. Not a huge day, not a massive bad day. So we'll take it there. We'll stop there. We'll try to come back tomorrow stronger, try to recover the loss tomorrow morning, hopefully. Stay positive, stay content. You know, I'm grateful. I hope everybody is grateful here as well. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you guys, all of you, for being here today. Thank you. With all the love. We'll see you guys back tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, everyone, have a great rest of the night, guys. God bless you and your family, guys. Take care and good night. Thank you so much and peace.